Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming about living and working in the UK but aren't sure how to get your visa sorted, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into visa sponsorship in the UK, what it means, who offers it, and how you can secure your own sponsorship to start your UK career journey. So, what exactly is visa sponsorship? Simply put, it's when a UK employer officially supports your application to work in the UK by issuing a certificate of sponsorship. This document is your golden ticket. It proves that the company wants you to work for them legally. Without it, you can't apply for most UK work visas. But don't worry. Getting visa sponsorship isn't as complicated as it sounds. In fact, thousands of companies across the UK are actively looking to hire international talent, and many of them offer visa sponsorship. Some of the top sectors offering sponsorship include IT and tech, healthcare, engineering, finance, and even creative industries. Big names like HSBC, NHS, Deloitte, and Amazon regularly sponsor skilled workers from abroad. Here's the deal, there are certain criteria you need to meet. Your job usually needs to be on the official UK skilled occupations list, and your salary has to hit a minimum threshold. Plus, your employer must be a licensed sponsor approved by the UK Home Office. Make sure you check the list carefully and tailor your job search to roles that qualify. Now, here are my top tips for securing visa sponsorship in the UK. 1. Target the right employers. Look for companies with a sponsor license. 2. Boost your skills. Focus on in-demand jobs from the skilled occupations list. 3. Tailor your CV and cover letter to highlight relevant experience and skills. 4. Network smartly. Use LinkedIn and recruitment agencies specializing in international hires. 5. Prepare for the visa application, understand the process and gather all documents early. And if you want, I'll drop some links below to help you find licensed sponsors and check the skilled occupations list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss career and immigration tips. Also, comment below if you have questions or want me to cover other visa types. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck with your UK visa journey.